job not easy in these days because competition for every vacancy is high in general. But if we know where are more opportunities, which will be hot jobs in coming years and make our preparation accordingly, it will be easier to get it. Here are 7 most in-demand jobs by 2020. Number 1, data analyst will be on high demand by 2020. According to a report, data analysts will become increasingly more important to all industries by 2020. Banking, IT, info-based techno jobs, business industry, all are needs data scientists. Harvard University study also revealed the same thing, that data analysts have bright future in coming years. Skill set for data analysts. Candidates who wants to make it as their career must possess good analytical skills, leadership qualities, enthusiasm to learn new things, techniques, good communicative skills, etc. Salaries projection. Income of freshers in this field would be up to 20 lakhs per annum. Number 2, finance and investment sector. Demand for experts in cooperative finance, tax accounting, investments and personal financial planning is already there. In addition to this, by 2020 it will add 20 to 30% jobs. Recent reforms in Indian economy and encouragement of online transactions would also create more job opportunities in this sector. Skills required. Key skills required in this field are managerial abilities, leadership capability, truthfulness, scientifically analyzing skills. Number 3, biomedical engineering field. Employment of biomedical engineers is projected to grow 27% by 2020. Much faster than the average for all occupations, biomedical engineers likely will see more demand because of growing technology and its application to medical equipment and devices. Particularly in India, it has more demand because in recent years we have seen an increase in medical tourism. Patients from African and neighboring countries are visiting to India. Certainly, it will boost up the demand in this sector. Skills required. Candidates should have good analytical skills, interest on medical engineering field, computer skills, problem-solving abilities, communication skills, etc. Salaries projection. Salaries for freshers in this field would be up to 50 lakhs per annum. Number 4, nutrient expert. Nutritionists are experts in the use of food and nutrition to promote health and manage disease. They advise people on what to eat in order to lead a healthy lifestyle or achieve a specific health-related goal. Nowadays, dependency on nutrition has increased all over the world. Based on these studies, are saying employment of nutritionists will grow 16% by 2020. On the other hand, we are in junk food era. Biscuits, chocolates, masala, etc., etc. Not this and that. Many industries depends on nutrition. It is also an estimation that by 2020 around 700 crore rupees worth business will be generated from food processing industry. So in coming 3 years, it is estimated that nearly 1.30 crores job opportunities will be available for young force. Skills required. Good interpersonal skills, computer skills, special interest on food preparation and compositions. Salary projection. Salaries for freshers in this field would be up to 3 lakhs per annum. Number 5, clinical therapists or psychologists. There is a greater demand for psychological services in this society. Mainly hospitals, mental health centers and schools engage more clinical psychologists. Unlike psychiatrists who prescribe medicine, psychologists treat patients through psychotherapy. Clinical psychologists work in a variety of areas and many specialize in treating specific types of patients and illness. Employment in this sector is projected to grow 20% by 2020. Required skills. Good research skills, ability to relate and empathy with a range of people, good team working skills, excellent communication, sensitive listening and questioning skills, ability to cope with emotionally demanding situations. Salary projection. Salaries for freshers in this field would be up to 15 lakhs per annum. Number 6, high demand of ethical hackers. The threat of hacking is finally being taken seriously by the government as well as private companies because it is clear that there is no website that is hack-proof. So that government or non-government organizations taking concrete steps to address the loopholes in their networks. In this process, employment of ethical hacker become more important. Ethical hackers work with government and private firms to test their networks from vulnerabilities, loopholes and bugs to prevent an actual criminal from encroaching upon the network. It is estimated that nearly 60 lakh ethical hackers will be required in India in coming 3 years. Skill set: expertise in Java or C, C++, and Unix, and scientifically analyzing skills. Salary projection: newcomers in this field will get around 8 to 50 lakhs per annum. Number 7. Mobile app developers. Mobile phone industry is booming. It is going to require around 2 crore mobile application developers by 2020. At present, there are only 50 to 70,000 professional mobile app developers in India, which is insufficient. By 2020, there are going to be over a billion phones connected to the internet. In coming years, this field will create more job opportunities. Skill set: innovative thinking, zeal to develop new apps, computer programming skills, analytical ability, patience to work long hours, leadership qualities, etc. Salary projection: newcomers in this field will get around 3 to 5 lakhs per annum. Friends, these are the top jobs in India. Try to grab the chance, make a plan immediately, set a goal, get the education you need for the high-paying job. All the best. Keep watching our videos www.durgasoftvideos.com and subscribe our YouTube channel www.youtube.com/durgasoftware.